Hi guys, welcome back to Cocktail Vlog. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Jagermeister cocktail. It's called the Jagerita. It was created in 2008 by David Cordoba. The main ingredient, of course, is the Jagermeister herbal liqueur with addition of orange liqueur, some lime juice and some simple syrup. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. First of all, we need a chill glass. We got one here sitting chilling like a villain. And we're going to start with Jagermeister, of course. The recipe calls for 45 mils, 1.5 ounce. Whoop. Followed by Cointreau or triple sec or whatever you got. 22.5 mils, 3/4 ounce. Followed by lime juice, 22.5 mils, 3/4 ounce. And last but not least, simple syrup, 1:1 ratio, 15 mils, 1/2 ounce. That's about it. Now we need ice. That's about it. And now we're going to shake the cocktail for about 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now discard the ice from the glass. And strain the cocktail in a chilled glass. Garnish with a lime wheel. Look at that. Beautiful. And ladies and gentlemen, that's it. The Jagerita. Cheers. Beautiful. You can feel the herbs, you can feel that citrusy note from lime. Sweet just enough, not too much. Beautiful, beautiful Jagermeister cocktail. You definitely need to try this. And that's it, my friends. We made a Jagerita, really easy to make and really delicious cocktail. If you love Jagermeister, you're definitely going to love this one. So if you haven't tried it, give it a try. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you'd like to see more recipes, like always, the playlist will be over here. Thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.